Hello friends, welcome to Sql Code Writing. Today we can check the schema binding option in views. So schema binding is deny any alter statement which tables we are using in that views. Okay. So this is our table customer. Customer table contains customer ID, name, sale amount, and country ID. We want to just create a simple view. Okay, with the schema binding. Okay. So this is the syntax: create view name with the schema binding. Okay, we are just using select star from customer. Okay, this will not allow because in schema binding the star select star you will not allow in schema binding objects. Okay, that is the one point. Second point, we want to specify the schema object of that tables. Okay, otherwise it will not generate the view. Okay, so here we are using create view name with the schema binding. Here we are specifying the columns customer ID, name, sale amount from customer. We are not using any schemas. Okay, the default schema is DVO, but we are not using this. Just check. In that time, it will not generate the. It will not create that view. Okay. So in this case, we need to specify the schema name. Okay, so here we can use from dvo.custom. Now we are creating the view. Okay, we can just check that data. Okay, we are getting customer ID, name, and sale amount. Next, we want to try to alter this name. Okay, so this table you can check with name is varchar of 100. We want to alter this to 100. Okay. So in this view we are using the name, right? So we want to alter to varchar of 50. Okay, you can just try. Okay, so it will not allow the object view name view get customer is depend on the column name. Okay, this will not allow. Okay, this is the purpose of schema binding.